Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, let's choose the keypad and let me show you the first code. It's *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's click on OK and let me show you another code. It is similar to the previous one. It's *#07#. And thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, we can check the head and the body of our device. So let's click on OK and let me show you another code. It is the software info. It's *#67776#. And as I said, we are in a software version. We can check the model, Android version, kernel, a branch version, build time, whatever you want actually. Let's get back and let me show you another code. It's *#888#. And thanks to this we can check the hardware revision, so we can scan this QR code and check our device. What's more, we can check the PCB number right here. Let's get back and let me show you another code. It is provided by Google. It's *#426#*#. And as you can see, we are in a diagnostic mode. We can check some events and also the status. What's more, we can show the advanced view. Let's tap on the three dots icon, click on advanced view, and as you can see here, we are provided with much more info. For example, last connected network type. Let's get back and let me show you another code. It's *#225#*#. And thanks to this we are transferred to the calendar info. We've got all events in one place, so we can check some family events, some holidays in your country, and also events attached to your mail. Now let's get back and let me show you the last code. It's *#800#. And here we are in a feedback menu, so if you meet any problems with the components of your device, for example the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, here you can report them. So let's tap on it, for example Bluetooth, and if you've got any problems you can record them. Let's tap on start, and after that you will be able to report it and probably get some help. What's more, we can tap on the suggestions, and if you have any ideas about your device or if you've got any problems with your device, you can type them right here and report them. So that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your OPPO Reno4. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.